Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Rohit Tech. In today's video we are going to unbox a very budget friendly drone. So before starting the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So this is how drone case looks like. This is very lighter. So this is how the case looks like, and after opening the case you will see a manual how to fly a drone. If you don't know, the steps are given here. You just need to read the manual properly to fly a drone. And after that you can just get protectors here, and also some extra propellers, and also one cable to charge the batteries, and also a screw to fix the propellers and open the screws. This is the remote control. This remote control is quite good to hold, and also looks somewhat heavier, and it gives a proper drone feel whenever you just hold it. And this is how the drone looks like. This is very smaller when you catch in your hand, and this is how it looks like after opening. Medium sized drone, and after fixing the guard, proper look, and you need to fix the batteries backside. After fixing, that's it, the ready is done. And before flying the drone you need to just scan this QR code and install the app to just fly this drone. You can also control your phone, your drone with your mobile too. And this drone has a 4K HD camera drone, but it records around 360 to 480p quality. And this is how you insert the drone backside. You will be having extra set of battery also, and this is how the drone looks like. You have two LEDs front side and also a camera. You just need to adjust manually with your hand the camera, because it doesn't come any adjustments. And also this is the Wi-Fi antenna connected to your phone to have access to the camera. And now let's just fix the guards. This is how the drone looks after fixing the guards. So now just on, you just need to hold the button, and after that you can see these lights are blinking here, and you need to connect drone to your mobile on your Wi-Fi, and you can see a drone there, and you just need to connect. And this is how the app looks like. You just need to click the start button, and you can have access to the drone, and you can have many options there, the same options given in the remote control also. And this is how you can control your drone with your mobile also, by pressing that controller. And this is the camera clarity of the drone. You can have a decent quality at this price range, and you can also record or click photos while the drone is flying. So here you will, so in this option you can see where the photos and videos of drone has been saved. And this is the location option, and also it has a 360 flip option, and this is the music option, and also a torch option. So let's just pair the drone to the remote controller. To pair the drone, so before pairing you can also hold the phone with this controller option given here. You can hold, and you can fly the drone. To pair the drone you just need to click the middle of power button, and then you need to just do like this, and find, that's it, your drone is paired. So that's it. Now we will just fly the drone and see how does it fly. The drone flies very decently. It doesn't even fell down or have a crash. We just need to control it very perfectly. And the drone also have a good stability, not proper stability but good stability. And this is how you land the drone. And the battery backup is not more. The two batteries will come around 10 minutes to 15 minutes. You can fly drone around 10 to 15 minutes and also record the footage. And this is how the footage looks like. So the footage is also very decent, not that quite good, but according to the price range, this drone is very good. So the link is given in the description. You can go check it out. So that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.